Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working with the Nest.js application. I am developing a Nest.js application. While working on Nest.js application source code, I got this error. Before explaining the error and its solution, I have a request. Please consider to subscribe my channel because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this which may help you or others in the future. Now let us get into the problem and its solution. I have opened my Nest.js application on VS Code. I have opened my terminal also. Let me save the file. Compiled successfully. Let us go to browser. Everything is fine. Now if you want keep environment variables in client side, how we can manage it? In order to manage environment variable in the client side, first you have to create a file with the name .env.local. Here I am going to create a key value pair for the environment variables. I will start with the nest public underscore my key value pair will be nest underscore public underscore port is equal to 3000. Then if you go to the page.tss, we will type console.log nest underscore public underscore port. If you go to the browser, let us take the inspect console 3000 here. If you refresh it, 3000 is there. That means we can access the environment variables which is defined inside this .env.local file. Start with the nest underscore public. If we add another key public, then instead of port we can keep URL something https public https technursery.in. We can ask the same thing here, comma again process.env.nest public URL. Just check on the browser here, https technursery.in. So these are exposed to the browser. So we cannot keep secret things, sensitive data in this environment variables in this way, like using this prefix nest underscore public. We cannot keep sensitive data. Those sensitive data you have to keep in server side components, server side rendering components like methods, get initial props, get server side props, routes, API calls. Inside those things we can keep sensitive data, environment variables. Inside middlewares are the examples for that. But if you want keep the environment variables which you have to use inside client side, you can use this method. Create a file .env.local, type your key value pairs by prefixing nest underscore public. We have created port and URL. Then you can access them on the client side using process.env.nest underscore public underscore our exact key port and URL. You can show them on the console 3000 and https technursery.in. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you again.